Again, the kingdom of the heaven is like a merchant looking for fine pearls. When he found one of great value, he went away and sold everything he had and bought it. Hello, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you've been enjoying the video so far. I wanted to come on and let you know that this video is a part of a collaboration. I'm collaborating with my beautiful sisters of the Heaven's Pearls. Now, we're a group of like-minded Christian YouTubers, and we come together every month and do everything that we do for the glory of God. Now, I've left links to all of the Pearls channels in my description box, as well as the playlist, and I hope you will go and visit all of them as well as the playlist today. Now, our message for you for this month comes from Genesis 8:22. As long as the earth endures, seed time and harvest, cold and heat, summer and winter, day and night will never cease. So again, as we wind down these summer months and head into fall, remember the Lord's promise that these seasons, the winter, the summer, the fall, and the day and the night will not cease as long as the earth endures. Now, the reason I chose the color green for this video, of course, green is a summer color, but I was thinking of the scripture in Psalm 23:2 that says, "He makes me lie down in green pastures. He leads me beside quiet waters." So again, thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day or a wonderful night. Bye-bye.